Padaji, ore vaga agui, etome, ogedan. That's what I did. A guy na rogada shawo, and the number a picture well ladia. I climb up with my second account. One person wants to say Padaji, ugamie Eloghosa, ugwegwan. Every man, that guy respects me on that off a live screen. Another person the same day on a live video, I go there. Why me no come talk say, Eloghosa, wait to agbe, do no ya go wegwaba. Bro, no.
Be the moderator for Rugged and Shout. Don't be this mama with day.
Are you telling me, Eloghosa? Please be wise up.
Why not? Why not?
This is the problem. Be wise. Please. What did I do?
Moderator for there.
Me, I know today bring a picture from out.
I
my brother.
And you say keke Eloghosa. Okay.
I want picture la dia o la wo baba.
Wala ni gwa wala. Oni se eti magwe.
Eh o wo picture la dia. Why you got na me na mo picture Eloghosa la dia ni me.
Wamudia na. Ore vaga.
Wa ko TikTok na.
Wamudia. A matter where you did there. Now me go there, go beg the guy. Say I beg, drop her. I beg. Why? Well, only say. See, then I go there in a way. This thing, no. As on my radio, on our echo wa drop eh. Ore vaga agui. Okpaga iseva. Nyanya, no ever talk about the next partner. Talk about your because do man like Eloghosa. Who claim beva? What we do is, Eloghosa. Ose. Where. For example, we know the sister Ivie, on our chepan, I'll go there. Iga seven, ita where. Eloghosa, emi no where na emma, no. Iwe sister of la where, drop a lao. Eri where I am women.
This cow. Process okay no make again na make
only say was process here why please
who get that right
wala only say
I want to go swing
we go na no wa ki life
wala wo am me too now because for my head only say wala, cause these days I did stress of summer. Only say wala wo. Epaje biguan. No, abi ezegbebe.
When I come mudiane.
Okay, epaje biguan.
First of all, yaka bowa momo baby sky.
The woman.
Ya wak momo. You know why? You play matured role yesterday as a big lady, as a leader, as a lady who understands what is going on. You understand? Ore Otima Eloghosa, if you have sent a request no there, or my many adota. Ewe ogie mo ugwo rivie. Ogie. Emo ugwo rivie. Ayeve negbe yato lon yato legbe. Ami arun okpa negbe iton. So kun okpa no enwe. Owe egwe ya lode. Owe gbona rikan gbe. Egwila woya la enwe no. Understand? Or do beg a season imagine wa ime kabu wa respect Iviedo for this season. Venia ya kam, venia ya koya wemi, to amu Iviedo might need this parking. Why? Because Iviedo na spark, head on beru. Iya doji ma with television. Iya doji ma build. So mama ni de gboni. Ori bari ho. Eloghosa ori mano. So kun okpa no. Arun okpa na wevi. Uwa fi so wani. eya gba idun gba wa udarun pa we
Aaron party me sempe. When?
Idene.
So what am say?
When mudia.
I'm not meko.
Aaron
When
pa me.
mudia ne. Eti ma kwakia.
I got JP.
Oh no mudia. Oh my God, no wait.
Ma we kai
Mo
mudia.
wait to hear do abeg. I don't need stress. Abeg. That is too much. When mudia. Mudiane, emaniti wele ne SMB, ege nok be. Umeti kanyan la diana.
No
They
doctor.
who what 10 people. Era yata. So may you wait. We get ka true a true no. Get ka true.
Ege go aton mudiane. No de.
Na insult.
No de. Wa be comment me a platform me. Iga atama we. Nobody no supportive you no there. Despite we take that dog one. And then nobody no support. And then we no go agwiji. You know what the right way. Because ebo aya we ya. You understand? I wanna we me baby ku. Bakpatari oyi. You understand? And do I invite ona that is ona appreciate invitation ona wanna be invite bo una guyose so pebe we guyose ni we imudia de ma deba oti ma ivini eta ma we ma guyose we guyose bogi mwa mu wo useveri o nuwe na ti wa isi onweri no de mama wuwe ya so kwokpa no enuwe wa wuwe utra nuwe adame ye o give awe o be dame ye emane no be sikewe so that ado ye hokpa ya lode uga we ni me to bi me because of it ni me we
Awe pa JB. And network drop and so. It never even day yourself at all. If where you do you are.
Mama Scala, mute me comment section ni Tori.
Okay. If okay, if JB. A network or if link I don't even they see you for even comment section or no. It be like say phone off. Okay, I don't see him again. I don't see him. Okay, yeah, I go mute you. A boy, it get with you, right?
to know
If I just be, do they drop away?
egbe wa wo
A network because I see a network you know.
so OSJ Eloghosa ma etima o ma no wi ma we me we nwe wo water so konpa no oge ne mata ihe egbe egbe ton ihe so pati ye nwa we you understand wa bego ti mana no redu hun na okuta ma bege ni ese ma de ni
Oh, there's using a yare.
uga bege me na ime bege woto beti eti tama we karata you understand what do bege we no ya ku kedere ade because we understand that dogene so ni ma ya you understand because ma legbo here very na ewe nwa ya la ehero ike ikafie mo pe for aderio iwe ne ogi medo yebe eyin ovia no wese ne no do yigiri aiwa ruda eni mani bungwalo so ya zo obo very na so kon pa no ya yebe le manari ipon me no kwa ne aretima no understand kati baby sky no jiba ni no de cause omamu egedu imani we you understand so me ma ofe do we de oma no we me we o here ti be atama we lo sa mi ayi logo we na wa he amu ya mo figbon we ti we ima we ni meje ya wi la platform ni ila o ye ti to are we egbe bobo me serve o you understand so no la o no gbe no mo hear to one Mr. Eloghosa so uwesi wege no rie mena wa ya nire mana ke baby sky
baba wesi
Oma.
Wesi baba. Ezegbebe.
As a community person, as a black something.
Okay. Okay, so problem not there. I believe nobody want talk now. So, Irima, Mama Anna.
Ewaro dia no professor ta.
Waya bava. Wa bebe ne hai. Mr. Eloghosa werun daira diodukun. We nagbona my brother Obava. Yan we ikuno wa mo tan alu won wo. Okeka boda me we uyame wa begebe ni yagun wa we because o ma me ohi. We ni tie we se no de ma mo fun me. Adevina ni ga sunu eri madia keme beside me. Yeah, oh my brother. We the way no ya falling on bog but I gbe do si bi o wa me. Because amenu we mu we na to bo we see ri oba wo ma se o. Okay ka boda me. Emi oparo no ma kian we. Benu we beg be ni media na je. La ron pa ti e bonu we o do aye nu we aso when gbina ni megbina nu we wi kia. I cannot come here to tell you. I always defend you where nobody is perfect. You understand? Nobody is perfect. If you go we we know de e pichi mere he we na go we gwana. We gani ya mo face me my vie ni ya ka me vie we ni vie unwa. E pichi mere he. We yore we na we let it talk. Come. You understand? My brother. Here where omana inwa no na ira biene. O ga moma assassin no ba to no for. Iri bi edo ya ekpitan. O assassin no ba o to no for. Because ebo ya berewe. Anybody no ire public space. There must be an enemy around you. And when you give them the audience, if any meeting attack we anybody enemy must come. Who abandon here? Men we me na gari me before. Me meti mudi anwete bo mama obo ma so mani fesi mudi anwete bo igbo wani obi. But o ma ira nwane odo akodan. Where a professor who done ema oni soro ne ma rebania where mama awagume geje okona my okay professor fire down my fire yan be comment section e dey ya do mi nana arun pa we mi just one person o we mi oni no we mi ni run doni me na me yin dukun we no de wa me wi yin dukun e piece e ka wa ya sun ya agun even we parking sigare ba me ya do me we me bi o ma ti e bonu we ke no ma keke ni nwa. No, I will never do that. Even we vieni vi gwana de where my sister mute boy e video ni re he we no we ya reply me ike do open a face me. Ogoni no de ya we no kwa me la so onyo si eni na ati me gize ge afina na mume eni tie wese obeva o mamu Emma my brother Emma no ri wo me di mo wa wo me you will face me anything no wire gbe me black and blue o ya gbe me e ma be deba we self be deba we they are will work on any as far as money offend you or my ham on anywhere if no na Emma do him your timana ata ewe o masse when we egian gbera gbiri be media na imagine egian gbera gbiri egian ogbera gbiri wo be engage with yin so abere ugwe wariyege men wagume engage yana why na miewe even we mugo dukun una we do asie goto my brother una we do asie goto iri nu we si go dukun fone una akpo le goto even no sunu no de oye we na a dream bi je ni me e ma to saloboa cause me yege we o ha a professor Eloghosa o enye we may be a twinsi we or eno or image we or eno my brother nula wo iya we rin taya esiemetan rin aya esiemetan iye o me wari swim and we offend and a person we me I be your person. You really hurt me. Ogo me water, you really hurt me because I'm a very me how you really hurt me. I want to saloboa. Who hurt me to my household? Emma, my brother, it's not good. Because Emma boom, normal on a panel stand. We are ready to talk. A panel do. Na tell me na moyana be dami aboya be arema moya be a contribute. Di enemy ama ono mudia. Mama ekene ma yobi ma wakiro ne enemy ni. Na wo de we ro nwaya medemi nana baba try my brother if there is a way nwaya mede try la wo only opa wari mana do ta because anyway it's okay.
Mama, where's it?
Where's Mama?
Where's it? DJ Stereo.
Where's it? What? Yeah, I hear host. Where's it? Why baby na kai? Why domo? Mama na where's it? The issue is that I could be now at the end of the day. I could be my heavy end up because we are all one family. You understand? I understand the tolerance is also important, you know. My professor, you have done a lot for the Benins. You understand? This social media space. My you understand? But the issue is that a language in here is that it's more about what out of anger. But the language is not accepted. That is the fact. You understand? You're my brother. Because when you said Benins, that is to say you are talking to everybody. If from that anger you said, some Benin, the way you behave, it may be acceptable. You understand? You are my brother. Because some kind of things you wrong with social media, and try, take care of because of the enemies around. You understand? Are we me? Hey, DJ Stereo, you understand? On this social media space, I could not react. Do you know why? I just want to maintain the fact that those enemies, they will be laughing at last. In Aladian, we need to react. But at the end of the day, I received an apology after some couple of days. That is to say the person involved or realize. You understand? So I know that you were offended, and I understand even in that platform that I was in comment section because some people doesn't understand the meaning of civil conversation. No matter even though the accuse is of ground. You understand? You have to table what we call civil conversation so that even say the person accused or the person that did that thing, his offense will be well declared. His offense will be well open. But I don't at the end of the day, I give me Tori. You understand? I understand on that platform that was what we were trying to prevent. But even the boomer understand you know, that led to all those things. So my brother, what I will tell you is that please just try to control that anger, no matter another way. You understand?
My brother,
Just
I
try
don't
your
have,
best.
my
I
brother, I
know.
don't have anger. I don't
I
have anger.
know.
I don't have
Yeah,
anger
go
I
on,
issue.
know.
yeah, go
You
on,
know.
where
No,
would
no, no.
Yeah.
Don't
you?
use
It didn't. I
listen.
know.
Don't use
I
that word for
know.
Mr. Insult. I don't have anger issue when
Okay.
I'm
Let
talking.
me reverse.
But
Let me
you know,
reverse.
women,
Hold on, sir.
Let me
Before you
reverse
continue,
the
sir.
word. Let me
No,
understand
don't
you.
worry, don't
I
worry.
understand
Before
you.
Oga
Let me
me on
reverse the
here.
word. Do you
align
know
to
why?
reverse the war. You wait.
Oga, I don't
Excuse
have
me. I
problem with that.
understand.
DJ will understand that me on here. I don't have problem with you. You are my person. I don't have anger issue. Let me just correct that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
When
Yeah.
I'm
I accept
talking,
that. I accept that.
when I'm
I
talking,
accept that.
it look as if I'm shouting. That's how I do. I don't have anger issue. I got anger issue. Why I never go why I never go talk wetin not correct? Why I never go to talk when it's not correct? Do you know how long if year and some people have been calling me a sebe?
Yeah, true. Ne we mudia.
Yes.
Do you
Yeah.
know how
I
long
understand.
how
Sorry for. Let me
ne.
reverse that word.
Yeah, true.
Excuse
Ne
me.
wobosa.
Excuse me.
how many people came out to come and say if this thing you are saying is wrong?
Yeah,
I
true. Now
don't
you
like
wait,
I don't like
wait.
Wait, hold
favoritism.
on. I understand where you
You
are
just
coming
said,
from. I
continue,
understand. I
I don't
understand
like
where you are coming
favoritism
from.
and
I
biasness.
reverse that word. Excuse me. I
I don't
reverse that word. Let me use out of
Continue.
provocation
Where can
because
we
it
continue?
also happened to me.
Oh,
I don't
that's
You
problem with you.
understand? Maybe out of provocation. You understand? Because it's also happened to me. I gave an example just now that I was on a platform where some of my brothers, my
DJ.
sisters, yes, he got a platform. I will tell me so out of provocation where DJ stereo when they say be when they anati ebon era vigime anati ebon ya direct. But I think of one thing where I will respect my kingdom. I'll be saying now this social media now when you do it will bring no results. You understand? So that is what I'm trying to establish. Maybe out of provocation. I doesn't say you have an anger issue. No. He doesn't have one. So any try need to understand it. Even he try when he might try, there is no matter what comes our way, we should try to take care of it because of the picture on ground, because of the challenges. And the last time I checked, me right so no do I try need to bring all the provocation, all those things here. Yeah, it me near your talk. Or when you are here, they cannot narrate Benin history from Benin territory to Asaba. So all those things, I've checked and balance all those things. So I try to maintain my steez. So I try and bring on board. Anything already come up. Oh, to offend the world in any way. We should try to maintain it. We should try to keep it to ourselves. We should try to resolve the problem outside the scene. Because of those miscreants, because they go misinterpret us, they go misunderstand us, they not go try understand where the matter they go. We are all brothers. You are not the same, my brother. I know where Benin family spreads to. When it comes to Africa history before Nigeria were formed. You understand? We know all this. Maybe out of provocation and all that. That is what I'm trying to say. We should learn how to maintain those things because of those enemies around. They are enemies. Our enemies that remain forever. So that is it, my brother. I'm not trying to push that anger narrative to you. You understand? So why you say when we are going matter now? You understand? Could be ni Emma preaching now. Ni maya sikukube. You understand? Why you say?
What's the kakabo? There will be an experience. Come, Mama. Mama, Kamuja. Nice one. Mama. Mama, la Kamuja. Nice one.
Waya asino se benedo na ere nu kwa be mi no be sino se be nuwa edo pa maya kin edo na mo paro na ase ai abere ri ma no bo te ni maya ise ai na so okay ni ma I da ise waya wese na te na re na wo mi opa hia kata Eloghosa ya ite mi hia ta na fo ne wa apologize ni wi edo ya fe on na ogo
Not doing any apology.
ite
I don't have any apology to give to anybody. Why am I giving apology? Why am I apologizing, sir? Answer my question. Why am I apologizing?
Ekeno no mo ekede beto bomen ibere awon pa ma yunu kan sin ime yunu kan na o wa mo benu mo wu ni umu ese eno se ni na mo ese ehin ayunu kan na Anagwe asimiusegedo, adminanedo, agati omokao, wenelo osanano, womokao. Onia, eriono, una bego no simiusegevenia na. Then, ono simiusege, ono temata. From nowhere, owabe obari, odo ati ogionba, if no moma ubai, ero, emata mawena ita, onyo si ona bege Eloghosa mo no mu. Ohonia. Ono ti ogio bani. Oni ma sege do ba yin. De odo ati ogio ba. E no mo wa u ba ero e mata ma we na eta e kene mata ye eta mu wana. So onyo si na Eloghosa na mo egbo no mu ni. Okay, oni na oni. E no si na gwa Eloghosa ga apologize na ibi edo gwe viedo ni buya na tie Eloghosa lare emo we na emo woni oni osi e na we no apologize. Apart from that, o no mu o mu say but ori mo egbera agbegbe. Oni ni me I beg for na la ho I me ken na ye ya ibu de ni viedo ya fe. Oriomba o kema ni bungbe. Oriomba o kema ni bungbe. Ake mo ma oriomba be to no ogawe nani gari ita moebe ita egwa ana bege egwe osote wo ogiomba kele no ana mo ogiomba awa gwa o ma lele nuwe tairo na toge olugane nuwe ha wa nuwe nota o ma to ni wa mo ogiomba iyo na egbe iberi o na pa ema Osieme. Osieme. Onyo wana bega Eloghosa na no na mo because asim you say agagbe na o aso ava o oreba. Bana mi egwe onwo no makose de time edo. Obi edo no yen go bi edo no. But the time edo donedo we paido omaka kamare on ise ukiore na Eloghosa on don't know ati Eloghosa ogionba eno kakabo kan wa gbe ore no oni o se wala bege Eloghosa mo no mu so o si na ikesu na ka Eloghosa na wa apologize ni biedo no si egwe no ni biedo ya na ati egwe no mo uto no mu yoto ke ni wa ko boka ke ya o ma ho oni o si na wo oga you apologize ogo no mu o mo e se but ori mo egbere agbegbe so no wa la ho na ibude me yo ba bu iya be go ata wa mi me wa ma be go ita wa gbe me yo wa
what I say you are very right what I say
because mama me na ni tabu wa da iye we me no gun wa ma me ima be onu wa obi edokin ise to wa bere egwe to ku ya runu me eri onu wa ms but no ka no lelebe no ebi gun be no da na dia ya ke ya iye mi ya ina ye mi pa ya ke pe me ya mi o ye ya e ma ni bu ayen wan ni ma bi gun ni but eri ki ata wa ga se Iberia no wala wa iviedo obi na bi je makin e dokpa makin but dokpa ki no wala ho ogo ki o ba ni okegbe wala ho na se bowo wa we se rita ese
wa we se Oga Osi.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
So let me just make my little contribution though. Eloghosa is our brother, right? Look, one thing is that people are ignorant, right? People are just ignorant of the kind of words they normally use.
Zedo la ho, wa zedo.
We are do.
Wa zedo wa la ho. Okay.
Yeah. So
ma zedo ma zebo.
Next one, I hear what you are saying, but don't worry about that, right? So what I'm trying to say is that people are just ignorant of the kind of words they normally use. There are some words you don't come online and use on people if you don't have full knowledge of what they mean and all that. We are all Edo people. I'm from the northern part of Edo, right? It was the collective effort of both the people in fact, there was nothing like Edo North, Edo South, Central. They were all classified as Edo people. The influence of the Oba there relates to this place that we are today. Even till days, we still have issue. We will relate to him and it will help us solve the issue. Yeah, and I don't know. And in fact, the people at the center of the city, right, they couldn't do it alone. If we that makes the extension of the Edo were not working together, they wouldn't have achieved the greatness that they have today. The greatness of Edo, or as Benin, right, has influence all over the world. It's well known. Well known. It was all the collective effort of both the people at the central, the south, the north. These are the princes and princesses that are made up of the Edo kingdom. But as we are now, right, we are in the brink of being divided by these political tools or whatever, just to infiltrate us. Because they believe that if we are being divided, they can come into us, right? I have never regarded myself as an Auchi man or whatever. I am an Edo man. I have more access to the palace than even the person living in the capital city, right? So, Eloghosa, what I'm here for is that whatsoever that happens, you are my brother, right? We are all one people, right? So I just I should come and tell you whatever they say, please have it at the back of your mind to forgive them, please. Try in every possible means you can, right? To forgive whatever they did to you. Our ancestors, right, will not be able to do it alone. Our ancestors can't do it alone. They work together as a people. They united, right? In terms of war, any other, they all came together as a people to defeat their common enemies. Right? Please, I want we all to keep that unity among us, right? We are all one people. I do about care as we speak each other. I do not. We are all one people, and nobody can divide us, no matter what. So please, Eloghosa, find it in every possible means you can to forgive anybody, please. We are all one people. Thank you.
Maurice Oigbea, because I will live video. Baby Sky.
Mute.
Ezegbebe. O mama gwan. Yewe Ezegbebe o mekinoye.
Okay. Waya domo era le Eloghosa ko baba. Ikpomo salo bo akekele nika o. No yawo egwe ma re ma na be egebe yan na. Ikpomo kakabo zewo go nuri eme akuta no derege ni ayati mewe ore live video na buwa do na geleri ogo ni me una hegwebe igbinani emi ni me ata iyajunu ya ata oho amagi le to me ba ko me make mo se nana mi egwu ma so ni Edo mostly man live video presenter na ami egwe omo igwa jegbe ya gbina wa me de mistake opa pem awaso ati owi oba de no sere ya we platform mi na o Rodene Eloghosa na river ya na tele na if not a platform mi
Nudamo na ya wa.
Ah?
Nudame no.
Anything?
Me no de pije.
La wo we do. O ma understand. Mi no gba no da. Egene dana. No gele ya gele to kagi ma be gani ni ete la live video me se ba ni. Eni kere o wo ko pe ani wata. Iya na wadi yere ya na lue oje pe ani ja fi nu we ri today ade egeni ma gele gwe saga live video. Emi no jo pe ani ki ewere gbe mi vi Edo. No na face on history ya no kata na do afile ya na do aton the upside down but omiamia gwa emi na kata yo to eyara jamane obenu wa ifie gwe de say agi mi gwa ebubo a boy I tell you the Eloghosa the witches and all like am ogwe no otse matsa eropa ma mi kunja jiko no mi kunja jiko eyi ato erudiwo mele kuwe ni ga work yo matsa no ware ni wata Benins bueno de garema. Ole gwe omo ya na ke Nigeria, me so ga settle in Nigeria. Ja turu wa me ni ya rule turu ya ga ko de ma. Na turu if not e mi ni ga sunu cause obi meni mo kwa ikoe o te wa gunwe ogede wa be respect ne imare yo pa de no de eni na ya mo gbe gbe ni ro na kede do sunu okay like o fe doma ati ere o to kun ni o apologize as a matter but the time I see it what a worry I need to do answer emi ni do go wrong o se when one ni na o mana offend me ona kwa bumi aje we mama la gwe ni we be dere mu yo to juguna iye ni ibe tagbera ba ni to explain we nu na we ya na o se le gbe na kan me o se na wona because mo ni me ya ta eri me ya go be provoke eri ya we mi me wa mi e saga ni mo bo we live video na me be no dey e saga me gbera gba vagba ya we ni la ogwa
Yes, sir.
ruda ku aju alati anebezo eri ma e na lagwa wala agogo ma ni bi edo wagi ma esobo wagi ma anyese wa edo de pito wo baje mo pagbo vie don't wanna tell me ona made a mistake agbo ya ma jiji o wani o wani na agree where o ma wage gwi ima e working ani ki ani working up down o wagi ma mwe mata ni to berio na we gba agbo ati no so egbe we no ta ajo ni sieti bati na the truth of the Bible said a love victim me ko na we berio yeah, what time apart from maybe na work Donald to Canada anota ofo eso na ro ya set when then weta wata nuta jo enota ona weta yo keke no the basta I take be that we logbe mo topic o very you understand but let's go to Eloghosa side Eloghosa come we know the we be gbe ya tolo mana ya tolo take gbebolo o unu gbe mu no the day na rere bure then another bure my brother get okpioki ero mo okpia ejeme no dere you understand iye gbe mi na tani osono we which is mebe gujo e ni tana e can we journey my brother will go far but the truth have to be said here ukogwa ogwa na boy very many je boy je igwa ofedi we ba kogwa na live do aro ogwa ndawe gwa ro ye do ya of face me ye boy who done no work ni eri owo na ti mo bi oba you face me you understand it's more better agbadu ati wa ni bi edo no na when I got that video I made it like we ati ala ja we na because if we done na me emi no ri ya na me
Ana wa mia.
because here ya tell anu one no the way Eloghosa don't go join us Eloghosa wogi o power ya be anu wogi do Mariana wogi do Mariana wogi di cow Mariana wogi di cow Mariana wogi o mo bo wogi o mo gbeyeye wogi ke wogi o mo jo ya yeye wogi o mo ba wogi mo no keke ẹni ọkẹ January ní Jésù lágbogbo bàbá láhọ kọmọ ọgá ìgbẹ níjẹ bọ wá ọfẹdìwẹ ròyẹmẹ ọmọ akọọmọ mọdìdì ọfẹdìwẹ kọlì mẹ níjẹ bọ dúmẹ náà bá mi ní tiẹ ẹnu ìmọ náà gbọn ẹ gbẹdìẹ gbogbo ẹ mẹbi sagadi pẹsì wẹẹni mẹkẹ gbìnà ní ìmọ mi láti tó mẹma sẹn mẹgbọjọ ni you understand ìṣùgbà yẹ ẹkì ilé dìdìyẹ fún ọ dọmọpẹ náà ń gbòòrè láti tó náà pọ ìmọ àbọwọ. Pero, you don't say, no get program. Hey, Marianaji. Ni maya kuwere better red donamu. Ujo red donamu. No, get a brother kaiba. Out you. Mi atie neboi. Esa o. Afema o. Urobo. Eka o. You're part of Igbo. Do ya kepa. Wọ́n àwọn bá sí ọwọ́ ẹ̀dọ́ ìsíàgbò vádàkà rúdà ìkẹlẹ̀ dómú wò tàgbò ọ̀pọ̀lọgbè. Nítorí dámú ọ̀pá wa fi pẹ́ bò ẹ̀rẹ̀ ó gba provo. Ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ́nu sàlọ́pàá mújọ̀wọ̀ ó gba bìí ó gba mùfùwà dámú ọ̀pá bí ẹ̀gbọ́n God forbid. It no go be your portion in Jesus' name. My brother láàgògò too much gbẹgbẹ ẹ̀yẹ̀ mọ̀ lẹ́yìn dúró. Ọmọ ni usaga ya se gbera nje mu ogwa gbe ti owo ba u be lebe oge ba u be lebe jo ni Ona beti we se be we lepe se be ni yo wu ga we esa ya edo ma ya whether they like it or not okon ya wa ke na ya so ya po akare do ni ya de day ayo ajumo dia akara abona ede la gogo my brother egbe no kan we no de ege ga je video la omo la gogo ano me we iye be ga gun a eri de be se ene kari me ko wa seti o wa to kwale na period o ma no gbogbo enehi ya ze go ban wa re kopa di lo pe do so boy we ni la gogo ni le si e go tokere we understand because e dija gun a iye ko be mejo ne 2 years gbe se mi si mu na na ya na ye egwero so no la gogo won la baba be we ya we give ye do no the or strong or too much gbe o ma da so ye na go ma no ka wa nya we ni de ni awa ofedi ne ya wa fesian e di o ga aje me no de ma ho la gogo won ko baba o salo ba me ni ka o no ri afian gbe nu no gigi o wa we ama no ge fure nu enyi iwe na nu fu no pe aboko ge mu we mi we ruda usuwe man o be to re be do be de na o we se go we mo Eloghosa people go embrace you they go embrace you ya ba put on notice free me no te we saga ke kan me aso gwe ki ipo bayi wo do ni je boy oko ni no mama lele do awa maruwe ba ibe ami amare kini ma je na lati se go egbe ni iwe wa ma o bu gbe ki meta mu gbe na wa pe ni box go tuku mommy oh Benny no my ye wa mu gbe pi igwela wa ma e wo gibe ni pa you understand so iye ma hiya iye stand ni ma yaje no eteni amana e ma e ma se be ya se do disgust na la they go know you
What gay?
they go know you what's the na get we no so
how can you tell me no we no hacking no je.
Olha, mama, ska uma na mute le comment section me Tori.
Okay, inyo.
Uma
Erere mu ye.
yeah, on mute le get.
Where you now we bani.
So no abeteme nigan waya wese era me Eloghosa mama kama we babu apologize ni wie do ya fefefe wawe ruda
When
dogwe no nyake or gbake so you understand so you have to do it where okpa in my yakin tori emi ro won ize imi awe no de na kama we ni yake gbina we do si epa be ke Nigeria oh my pa so what is the need na me ti ma nujo bo we dology ne baba o salo bo be ka o na egu we yo bo we mu eri ya go da so no baba we say o wa wa ama de we ama emi ya no Italy nje na emi ya no didi ne Italo ti akan ari enu ejege na ya ma no e ti ni ka o ti Jesu alo bo no di ma ya fefefe wa ya we say wa bi na
Ige boy la no mi na be mi oku no ma no ga mu erere ni yo talk
na sa ya le no o ga mi oku esi ja yin o
we say yo Eloghosa
oku na o shi na re no ya no je na re no odo be ijo do ti
abu na o tun
no ga gbe ma no lu
no gbe se mo de kwere ke che ma de o
asewo
Adu won e ba forget to why ba forget to ni ma ti green
leaf green leaf
we ta ma no
e ba we ba for e va no
e bede sien
ro
e green leaf ro e be va be ro no me red and
no red on e ma ti
e ba for no ba be side
so aja le ba enu e o ki agba
because of oni doku
oga idie e ba die odi e be ba die odi isaki odi ring odi pomo odi son ba je boy Otori emeluza le gbe oko ri catfish obole ya gbe
obole ya ne ege ni oga idi oga ti la video oko no ma we Eloghosa o we yi
yes so
Otori e
Where?
Eri tie be regadi.
The one na me tell don't area vitamin e. Nya wa bioka o if you vai wasan lo ladia. Ege no e do ya mi ne. Ege no e do ya mi no tie wo ge back lo uteti e. O ti ogun me awon kan.
Ege ni yegi fan egbe, yegi ba egbe.
No, wese baba waya
domo waya bava, waya.
Wese ye boy, wese.
Eloghosa, I greet you. Brother, what did they say? I don't get anything with you. Get me? If I even they talk about the people back, I will tell that person may not try. But the only problem where they get, Baba, try to control your anger. That insult means defending insult people parents. It's not good. Why you telling us you lost your corner or mark insult in your car?
Where?
Bono, we don't want to go. Where they are, where or call.
Mama. Hey, tu avais yoni.
Mama, get the big one.
Mama, may I talk now? Only a problem, I don't get anything with you. If they will talk about you, I will go that place, I will scatter that place. But the only problem is say, when you to no one attack, or whatever my tear bone, look at what Bobby with you, Emma, you know the good Baba, not the drama.
Oga, beg. I tell you to say why you bring this man come up. You feel swear. And if they cost people, I mean, people they cost people to that.
No, what happened yesterday?
Okay, you go feel swear. Say that if they cost people, I mean, they first cost me. I'll call the the cost to the papa and the mama.
Okay, you don't talk to me 3 times like that. I don't cost you back.
Oga.
No,
I know they carry the cost
Oga, push more.
I know they carry. Wakaro me. What are you doing? No. I hate lies.
I want to marry that tower.
I said stop it. Don't lie against me. Stop it. Don't lie against me.
Okay, me I dey lie.
Don't lie against me. I don't like it. Mama, no. Equal, mama. Go on. Let the people watching you.
Mama,
Mama, anybody. The only problem why they get. Mama, why you move by me? Like over.
Wetin come away ije one way no mo boss nu uwe rororiye mana uwe rororiye ma where in wa mana team no akan fo you understand if no si owure that dog about 4 days ago o mana go uti e bono wani ona wo ba ere me natana o mana tie bono uti o wani go regbe in wo bi na kan be bo ma but mama ka ben do well
mama na
since mama ka ben do well mudiane iye boy gugu mudiane ni
Eloghosa
mudiane Ebongon we ati ebon rabi your matie no we dey gbe matie ebon no you understand if no say na you mama please let me speak Room
You don't have
DJ
to
boy,
talk.
or young
Listen, Mama Anna. Mama Anna, this is one thing that you do I don't like. Madam, you don't have the right to tell me who to refer to.
About 4 days ago, only soon. I said, "Me not go marry. Mo you mean you do?
Mama, you are lying.
We are going, Baba. Where what me at? We are going.
Mama Anna, please don't lie against me. I don't like it. I don't like it. The only problem I have with car, if a cheboni no money will be, you got cheboni that year.
Exactly.
That is the only problem I have with car. And that watching sometimes she call me, she'll be shouting on me. I want that chebon who chebon will be. And I told her the reason why I do that, since they don't rest, I know the first the cost person. Why go back it born? He can't make a table no one. So ya go. He can't win from ya where he go agree. He can't table ni me. I will not refer the insult to their father and their mother. That is my pattern.
I wish it's not fair.
Mother, for them to insult me first, is it fair?
Eloghosa, okay, Nedia.
Oga, now you insult me.
How? Okay, we're teaching to the insult to where?
Oga.
We're teaching to the insult to where?
Oga, I don't like this.
Because I get you. Walao, mama na Baba Walao, you need one. Because I was so tired. Baba, we will do respect lao. Yeah, a big woman. And it's truth. Yeah. Because in my only do tell me no we be. Na me wa do mukba. We sky. Ma, that's why you the quiet the look. Eloghosa, ikatamawe. I will still repeat it here. Oma ati ebonu. Insult that person back. Munera wije. Oma what's ebonu? What was I dey mad? Where do they praise? Or you can keep still. Egwan. Who makes it where? Like me, I feel muda.
Before I can respond to Ibe yesterday, it took more than 30 minutes.
Enough.
More than 30 minutes.
Enough.
I don't give a fucking damn.
Enough.
If hair wants to roll, let it roll. If hair wants to roll,
roll with Ali. Roll with Spain. Awa. Allow me to talk. Allow me to talk. Mudia. Allow me to talk. Mudia. Mudia, worry Mudia.
I hear you.
Mudia.
I hear you.
Ye, umie, emi okpa wagbona Eloghosa ge. You see, big. Aya we me. Emini dege I will say you the see if I be you, a matter na you could even say, say I be. Ge dameyo, oma ati ebonwe. If it be, say maybe not be this platform. If it be for a future purpose, oma ati ebonwe, you can swallow spit. Oma gwa, oma mini when maybe you dey fear that person, but when me who? Yes. Okay, fine. I bet where we walk by at Ebona. Should I show you my DM? You want to make I show people? No woman go fit bearan. When me never so tamame. When me so, even some babes, girls. When me never tamame, Wetin, anytime I talk about relationship topic, but you never see sky. Where I know. I should be this morning. I show you my phone. Messaging not loud since yesterday, Abi. Hardly before I do that. When me now get so tamamea. If it be who they even they come my pan, if you come with fake account, in my lad there, either way, sweetie person writes me, oh no, it be berry. Ekenirie, eirie.
Wow,
You
my
know, get
baby.
what you go tell me, maybe say you go come out one of my eye. Unu woyanta, ugbeso, oma ati ebonwe. Eloghosa, okan we meme. Tiena we regbe, or you forget it. Ewe, uwa mwebo gbera wije. No. That one. I dey tell you indoor where Emma, understand? See, I want to tell you something there. So there are some people that will come and text you. How well or what they yo? What they yo? Don't let people text you. So swallow a spit. So try. Okay, Mudia. And there was a day I told you, in our Eloghosa, if now you be baby sky. Only mean where a dead be who are saga. Where in fact, where some people were talking now. There are some things who be berry. Swallow a spit. O ma mean where to come. O ma come. O ma mean who. O ma who be berry. See, I see me doing this. Here where is so good a fish. Why can they do like this? Men no where. Here me new. Here me new. I know the way you take day. Here a bomb and that's why they try to create peace like this. Because I feel like video now. Nobody is there with you. That's why they try to talk. Kobe na ya gwansi, audion gwan, or wokan gwan, ibama gwan. If I'm now you be me, there's a way you will take calm down on this. Gigi, no. Erio. Uma, erio. I calm down, hear me. Agbibiere. Yeah, history now. Who since then, Abi? That's what since then. They so got where exactly, Abi. You are right. Iya mafioni na Abi. No give we bewo. Agi fian. Keke we tota wo wa. Uo. Uma emi ya gigi no emi ya. Okay, fine. According to you, where not pay that they call you a simple, right? But and now that they call you, we know the now let one person call you that thing yesterday. Apa we una wa kepane, una wa mate if you picture you are. I'll call the the power tap. Safe. You where is if you walk by, I go join you bitter. Who guy be for ne? Who we yere we or we know on your pa.
I'll tell me.
Otwen no. Eloghosa, I want to ask you one question. Temata. In my prayer some things. Una ahian day. Una do me sister Ivie. Ona lawyer you touch your person.
I know, Pastor.
Yeah.
I'll help come again.
What's a good egg of Tadu? Eloghosa.
I did my own mercy, no.
Why Mogwana? Guamadia, what I beg a down the way to a yaguansi. In our way, Yaka, in our way, Eloghosa. In our way, I apologize to you. In our way, you have a time I will not say, I will apologize to you. Imaka, in a retired stereo where or no, more any state, although two boys black, but they know Yahweh Mo. In a rhyme, you will be right. In a rhyme, so no show no more black, but I'm more, but it begged me and no sooner. In a rhyme, if no apologize in an eye. They never do him if you do have a fair oh, your back, okay, but Niata. Well, Mammy, I've been my area, and I'm going to take my what men of Puaguana or Highland to Aki. Hello, sir. wa babele mada ke Switzerland re na una be wo kai me no de egogo yi no ga fe egogo ni me no mogu wa kwana okay all this wa ga just video cause wa ya gun asin ibi zuze ye be na wa mari ina ke na agwa but o ga auto no wa na bege me ga kan wa ri on the wa ga do ni ji Eloghosa mami o wa na we ni ona me ona gwa egwa ka ma egwa enu na ọmagba kirebo ukirebo wa gogo guda umi onogo ego umma ona mi onogo ego so ukirebo so emena bena ta isena wa ge ajeberio wa ge gbera bere na
Yeah.
wa ho because
Akabo.
osego pa e o wa ya simi agbo ya simi to sege no ni ki osege do ne enika se ayuwa to o wa simi osege adede ọrụ pa arụ ebagi wa abeyi ku wa we ru pa ya e ru gba obe na bi ju enu o mekin wa mekin wa pe so onye na abo ene Eloghosa la ho wa ge mi ya endi be na eyan pa ni ayin ni awe o ka o geva o ge ha o ge ne tai we o ma te bo no wa ya ti ni ra bi je mi no ma o wa we o ma ista ide
Epa damyo, epa ye minuta.
Gwegwego
Mosu,
agwo
epa wagu
ibuje
teme.
da imaka
Epa, otakpa di me no, okay, continue. Damyo, epa
mudia
damyo, epa calm down. I want to ask a very simple question. Why is it that anybody who come to a Skype platform, they will always want to first of all insult me?
okay
And I'm
mudia
epa damyo,
hey
wagu teme.
about finish
Why is it that I'm not a small boy, eh?
uh
If you talk about brain, I'm a genius.
go
People
on.
said if you like you call me I have pride. I don't give a damn. When I see the truth, I say it. Why
Yeah,
is it that the Benins, not all of them, the Benins on TikTok, the Benins, apart from Scar, apart from Edo Finance, apart from you, apart from Osas, few people, the Benins on TikTok. Why is it that they always, first of all, like to insult me first? Why do they insult me first?
okay we
No,
go
this
me can answer ni bi do ya fefefe kian ni tie bodu e kene tie no me ha e me ka de e answer yi mo be o mo na awe mi ona na awe mi no ma agbon ya na awe mo egbe o wa na awe mi no ma igboforo
Akabo.
oni o answer ni ari enu e so ya to bo ya kakabo ya ke wa di raefo oni na mudia Eloghosa itemi opa ma ke agun ina ka ma we ọmọ ga tẹ bọ́ọ̀lù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni aka àwọn máa sọ máa ń ṣe ọmọ wà lè ṣe àbí ẹ̀wọ̀ bí ibi táì ní wà á tún náà. iná wà àdégún ẹgbẹ́ ìwé di ọ̀sùnù ẹ̀ máa gẹ́gì wẹ́ àdégún ọ̀sùnù àdégún ògèlè wẹ́ gẹ́gì wẹ́ ẹ̀ nọ̀ máa ẹ̀dọ́ wẹ́ òpè mùdíà òpè òkè.
Network.
yeah, me
ó dá
tagbo yeah.
fóònù kéré wọ́ gbogbo àmọ́ ó ní ká àyìnlẹ́ èmi yẹ ọgbà nù ẹ̀ ní wàhálà ìyẹ́dọ̀ keno keno ma offend waya boy edokpa mayahi ma waya wala ho wa ga meso na yutoberio atai na wa ibi tag gbera ma wala wowo wa wesi
No. Man, me where if do apart from you, Scar
And me.
and Dobini, why be said they first they insult me first? Mama, I want me to answer that question. Why be said
What's the weapon that
ẹ
me
fọwọ́
never?
sọ mi
What's the weapon that me
mi
never?
àti abẹ́ àmújá ẹ fọwọ́ sọ mi mèrè tẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀nù ẹ̀ à
oh
àmújá.
You know my age? Or because when I see me say I just did. Do you know my age? You are a boy. What is the problem? You are a boy.
Ali.
You know you the talk
the
to.
boy.
And you be boy. Huh?
Maybe Sky, I don't do
Okay,
this.
You see finishing now from tomorrow. When I gonna do you are your guy here.
Maybe Sky, I don't do live
You cost me yesterday for Eloghosa platform.
Yeah.
Where are the great peace? On our table, men know there.
I see. But
Sisters have been talking. And they talk like table men we know there. You insult me yesterday. But I quit because of Eloghosa.
Yeah, you are very ne.
You insult me yesterday.
E no intervention.
Boy, huh?
Oti my Eloghosa, mamu were do hu. Oh, here more wa jumping, eh? Oh, here more wa
Ask me
jumping.
yesterday, tell me say, who be boy? You are,
Okay.
Don't send request here, don't send request. And you cost me yesterday. You can't declare that, send me the bias. I say bias. As what's the problem? Have you not the way I can talk to Professor Ask? Can you do it? Have you called him before? Have you called Eloghosa? If you said it's your brother. And you are a boy. And I say,
Ose baba, ose je.
tell me now, you are a boy.
TikTok. Abana mi we eyin ka iro mi ni ala platform my brother whatever pama we do ja pitan wa o ma kokko ba tanya me ave gian di mano lega do ni e ni buje fe ka kan le do aro mi o yan we ani ya iri edo
Mama, they call names, they be Benins. They call names.
No, don't call name.
Let me call names. Number one, JP.
JP.
Let me call names. I'm going to call names. Number one, JP.
I never call you fake. I can't call you. Who is there?
Let me call with the account. Don't insult me first. My card over, man. What going here?
Mudia, who is there?
Number two.
Wait, Eloghosa Mudia. Who is there?
Number two, Wi-Fi.
Where money for that na past tense something.
where
Eloghosa, I want rest for this talk. That one past tense something, not now. Well, okay, mama. As we talk, you do short as you do the TikTok, you explain. Me, I don't try.
Professor.
Now call this matter, I just spin down.
Professor. Agboya fefe ogwa taji. We na waka ma we anyway we very oni. Eteme wala. Mami ma no wa ku we kwa. Wani bi edu no TV sembe dameyo. Wani bi edu dameyo. Wani bi edu no TV sembe wani o sembe.
I said the Benins. Did I say all the Benins?
Yeah, and you said the Benins.
The Benins,
that's general.
When I go
If I say all the Benins, I'm coming, sir. If I say all the Benins, I'll go and do apology that I didn't mean all. I mean some of the Benins. I'm not going to hear small boy. If I hear all, listen, Sky. Send me a video where I said all the Benins.
Is here.
I'm coming.
I sent it to you yesterday, and I send it now.
I'm coming. If there is a video and I use the word all the Benins, I am very wrong, and I will do a short video to say oh was a mistake. I made the Benins. And
okay, me I talk nonsense. I talk nonsense.
They cannot me.
Professor, honestly.
Sorry, I'm not stopping.
And that's why they small.
Mama go me go.
Nana un pokoro no ma.
If mete go go. Why go me go tell me?
Iye jaguar. Oda beta wo.
Akati na.
Ona se do ko na ya na musano ne wa na.
Akati na.
Okay, mama, no problem.
Akati na. Ona send request.
Oh yeah,
Mete wa e guy ni no. E guy ni Sarah, I know.
Okay, na mu.
Yes, now I send a request. Always it's not a say now, God forbid. If we say I don't do. This account is send request now. I see now.
And Azuzu.
So what I want to say is this. If there is a video, me as I say so, nothing will ever make me be Orionba. Nothing, not there. Not get wetin. You not get wetin you want to tell me. That number one. If nothing, when anybody go do, if you like you pack 4 Asian girls, give me. I not go collect to tell me Orionba. I not collect. If there is a video where I said all the Benins, of course I'm wrong. When I say all the Benins, I'm referring to the chiefs. And that is a wrong word. And I will go and do a live video say I did it when I say all the Benins. It is a mistake. The Benins, not all. I'll do correction. Simple.
The Benins, is it not equivalent to all?
Is that what?
The Benins. Why can't you say some of the Benins?
Thank you. Can I respond to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there's a difference between when you say the Benins, D is an article. The Benins. Okay, we're going to go on here. D, THE, is a definite article. And it's an indefinite article. When you say the Benins, you are referring to a particular. Somebody can check it. Definite article. Then when I say all the Benins, I'm not referring to a specific. So if I say all the Benins, I mean all. Both the one in Nigeria, both the one abroad, both the one in Germany, both the one in United Kingdom. When I use the word all the Benins. And I will do apology on that.
Listen, my brother.
I have taught English
without that point.
Yes, the S is plural. S is plural.
If you have a point on top of the X, it means that you are referring to maybe some people.
JB, go and study articles. Then you come and meet me again.
Now, I
want to come out.
I want to hear this. Year 2400. No. That's money. I don't know now that time.
Because
no.
Oh, Mama,
wait. Please, Mudane. See, Ugbeso, and the man learn how to let go of things. Okay, Mudia. I mean, no more botana. I do 400. I do 4 million. Mudane, this is Benin Forum, you know. Right? Benin Forum, you know. Abi na Igbo Forum. Okay. So, they will not be seminar. They will not drag no sooner many years. La Mudane, anything you can't turn up. You can't tell me now. You can't tell where Gokpa. You can't tell me now. Wala wo go. I don't want to hear that name from my panel. No. I don't want to hear that name close to sky. I beg. It's a body to me. I beg. I don't want to hear that name because again, you know, when I do one man sky. Not in this platform. Eloghosa, please for today now. Please. I don't want to hear them. I beg.
I beg, meet yourself, no verse.
I don't want to hear them again. Why the time, man? Why the time, man?
You more like I not day. You feel me so well. You want to what you bring matter? Come on, talk.
You are when you are now. I'm not
out of this matter.
Exactly.
Omaka is scared, please.
Please.
That's why Ubeso, some kind talk go come here. I remember there was a day. He get somebody, I don't want to call her name. Again, last year. The measure person now says, hey, that person, man. I noticed that person on a mo. I not send your vaccination, but no call that person name for my panel. Because again, no one aware or say, you come to my panel. If you no cancel, no again not better. I'm well, lama. Ireva. When I'm with Sky, yo. Onagare na my sister. Onagare na my brother. I want to make some people know today. Baby Sky, a panel is free is free to her. But important thing I respect Egbe. I don't know them, they don't know me. But if you know say not me now, it's so you're disturbing me. It volare a lot of things. Today I will say it. Any people who can in na life, ya robeska. I'm just different body. Said to Mama said to her, Mama come. But one thing I will say, Okpa Mayakin. Do Mayakin, beneath for that matter. Mama Keke, Adwaya Koyari Egbe, for baby Sky. I not join that on a level. I just do on my own. I just de bro. Arab must say bro. I just de bro. Mama can't make anybody. So, Eloghosa, please, with due respect. The way call it that name with platform, Well, I don't need it. No, please.
Mama, I beg you, hear me.
What I say?
If you, Professor, now, when Sky time, well, so as when in your man, see a bonway, in here, 247, who are Sonia, or man,
it's not the genesis of the problem.
Don't
worry, I will call the person.
Call the person name.
My battery wants to off in case he gets down. So please. In 5 minutes time, I'll call you.
But where you are. Eloghosa. No, the year. Eloghosa. Where you are. Oh, wow.
Iwo married
video. Comme man like stress.
Ma wa kwezo ve.
Taleme bugbe. Man like no. Taleme bugbe.
Zagari e mani buje. So ni maye stand di jobiri oni.
Na so.
Comme man ni doge manadwa meti ve gbima.
Ibi zugba so givia do me.
Dia me osi. Ezogare gbi